Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we will talk about how to use SHEIN Order Protection for lost packages. So to use SHEIN Order Protection for lost or missing packages, you must contact customer service within 45 days of the delivery date shown on your tracking page or within the estimated delivery time. If you paid for shipping insurance at checkout, this process is designed to secure a refund or replacement. So what you're going to have to do is first, verify the status. Check the tracking information on the SHEIN app or website to confirm it is not just delayed. A package is generally considered lost if there are no updates for more than 7 days. Now, report to customer service. Use the 24/7 live chat in the app or website as it is the most effective method. You can type agent or lost package to get to a representative. Also, you can submit required information like providing your order number, the tracking number, and photos of the tracking status indicating it was not delivered. Now, confirm non-delivery. If tracking says delivered but you do not have it, confirm with neighbors or your local carrier first, then inform SHEIN that the package is missing despite the status. So I hope this video helped you guys. See you in my next video.